3-way select knob, on/off/steam. 4 cups easy pour carafe. Light indicators. 5-bar working pressure for rich coffee tasting coffee. Removable drip tray for easy cleaning. Milk frother perfect for delicious cappuccinos, macchiato coffee or a simple latte. UL certified. Hand wash only. The IMUSA GAU-18202 electric espresso maker allows you to be a barista at home. You can have fresh espresso in minutes, or you can create a homemade creamy cappuccino using a milk frothier. This beautifully designed unit allows you to prepare up to 4 cups of espresso at a time, and has a removable drip tray for easy cleanup. Also features a permanent removable filter basket for the espresso, and the durable plastic exterior protects you from a hot interior. Top reviews from the United States. Tweak your method until it is right. The price? You can't beat it. You shouldn't expect barista quality and amazing crema, but you can get a very decent cup of strong coffee that can support the addition of frothed milk without tasting weak. The controls don't allow for a preheating stage, so you must do it yourself to get success. What this means is that you measure water to the 4-cup mark on the carafe, put that in the water reservoir and screw on the lid. Put 12 grams of espresso ground coffee in the portafilter and level it out. No need to damp. Put the portafilter in the machine and put the carafe underneath. Turn the control knob to the steam setting and wait for water to drip from the steam wand. This should take about 2 minutes. Then turn the knob to the brew setting. Within seconds you will see coffee running into the carafe. Let it go until it reaches the 2-cup mark on the carafe, then turn the control knob to off or back to steam if you want to froth some milk. Works well with light or dark roasts. The steam wand works well. I use a 12 ounces stainless milk frothing pitcher for best results. Don't just follow the directions that come with it, or you will end up with a bitter, muddy mess that you won't like.